and the most merciful. Distinguished guests, respected teachers, and brilliant students, Assalamu alaikum. I am extremely privileged to have this opportunity to address you all at this important moment of 6th annual function of event. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome you all on behalf of the Amar Welfare Elementary School. I would like to take this opportunity to extend a warm welcome to our guest, founder of the Amar Welfare Elementary School, Ma'am Saida, students and the faculty of the school. We all are gathered here on this annual day to motivate and inspire the young minds to showcase their talents. This is highly an important occasion for everyone. Also, let me permit to say the fact that obviously it is not an easiest task to run a welfare school. It requires a day-night effort. No one can imagine that how much resistance one can face for doing such a noble work, mainly in our society. Undoubtedly, Ma'am Saida's unrelenting efforts are the results that has made through to provide free education to our young generation, which is a very big thing in current circumstances. I can surely say that there are not any basic facilities in government schools, but as compared to other schools, the Amar Welfare Elementary School is providing every basic facility to the children. For this, Ma'am Saida really deserves appreciation. We are grateful. We are grateful from the bottom of our hearts to you, ma'am, for doing such a wonderful, noble work that will definitely be beneficial for the society, because education is the most sole thing, is the only sole thing that can change and reduce the problems of our society. Today's children are the future of our country. Brilliant students, brilliant faces that I am witnessing today will receive awards and exhibit their talents. Inshallah, one day they will definitely be responsible citizens of our beloved nation. They may grow up to achieve great success, name and fame, as well as high human values. I am feeling proud in the saying that the talent they will display here today would be sufficient to say that they have potentials to become worthy citizens of our society. And this all credit obviously will go to teachers. Undoubtedly, we are very fortunate to have competent teachers whose sincere efforts regarding education are also admirable. They are doing their best, and I am hopeful that they will continue their hard work with patience and consistency in the same way. Here I will read few lines of Faiz Ahmed Faiz. कुछ लोग तुम्हें समझाएंगे, वो तुमको खौफ दिलाएंगे. कुछ लोग तुम्हें समझाएंगे, वो तुमको खौफ दिलाएंगे. जो है वो भी खो सकता है, इस राह में रहज़न हैं इतने. जो है वो भी खो सकता है, इस राह में रहज़न हैं इतने. कुछ और यहाँ हो सकता है, कुछ और तो अक्सर होता है. पर तुम जिस लम्हे में जिंदा हो, ये लम्हा तुमसे जिंदा है. पर तुम जिस लम्हे में जिंदा हो, ये लम्हा तुमसे जिंदा है. ये वक्त नहीं फिर आएगा, तुम अपनी करनी कर गुजरो, जो होगा देखा जाएगा. Once again, on behalf of the school, I cordially and respectfully welcome to our guests and every individual. Your presence is the most important for us. Thank you.